Question number 5th. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Run scored. That is class interval. Number of batsmen. That is frequency. Class interval is 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. And number of frequencies 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Maximum number of frequency is 18, but this is F1 and this is F0 and F2, and in this direction class interval L1 is equal to 4000, L1 is equal to 4000, F1 is equal to 18, F0 is equal to 4, F2 is equal to 9, and H, that is common difference, 4000 minus 3000, H is equal to 1000. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Find the mode of the data. L1 is here 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 divided by 2 into 18, 2F1 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 is 9, multiply by H, that is equal to 1000, is equal to 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is equal to 14, multiply by 1000, that is equal to 14,000, and 18 2s are 36 minus 13 is equal to 4000 plus 14,000 divided by 36 minus 13 is equal to 23. 14,000 divided by 23. 23 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 13, 138. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. This is 0. That is only 2. And 1 0 again. But 20 is smaller than 23. So 1 0 is here and another 0 is 23 multiply by 8. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, 18. 184. That is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 0.10. 23 multiply by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 6 2s are 12, 13. 138. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And 1 0 again. 23 multiply by 9. 9 3s are 27. 2. 9 2s are 18. 20. 9s are 207. Approx. That is 608.69 or 7 approx. So mod is equal to 4000 plus 608.69 को we can write 7 only, 1 digit greater. But mod is equal to 4000 plus 608.7. 78064. That is 4608.7. Approx answer. Run squared class interval is 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 11,000. And frequency number of batsmen, that is FI, frequency is 4897611. And in frequency maximum number is equal to 18, that is F1. And F0 is 4 and F2 is 9. But in same direction class interval, that is L1. L1 is equal to 4000. And we get all L1, F1, F0, F2 and H, all values. And mod is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We get 4000 plus 18 minus 4 divided by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. 14 multiplied by 1000, that is 14,000, divided by 18 to 36 minus 9 plus 4, 13. 36 minus 13, that is 23. And we divide 14,000 by 23 and get approximately answer 608.69. And we can take and we can write it as 608.7. and adding 4000 and 608.7, we get 4608.7 runs. Answer. Question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the given below. Find the mode of the data. Given number of cars. Number of cars, that is class interval. And frequency. Fi. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency is 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8. In frequency, maximum number is 20, that is F1, 0 is equal to 12 and F2 is equal to 11. And in class interval, L1 is equal to 40. L1 is equal to 40, F1 is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 12, F2 is equal to 11, and H, that is common difference 0 to 10 in class interval, that is equal to 10. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. L1 is given 40 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus F0 is 12 and F2 is 11 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. 40 minus 23. This implies 40 plus 80 divided by 40 minus 23 is 17. And we divide 80 by 17. 4s are 68. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 7 minus 6 is 1.017. 7s are 190. That is 1. and approximate value mod is equal to 40 plus 4.7 mod is equal to 44.7. Number of cars class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. And frequencies 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Maximum number of frequencies is 20, that is F1, and F0 is 12, F2 is 11. So in this direction in class interval, lower limit L1 is equal to 40, but L1 is 40, F1 is 20, F0 is 12, F2 is 11, H is 10. So mod is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And putting the value of L1, F1, F0, F2 and H in this formula, we get 40 plus 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11. 12 minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23. 22s are 40. 40 minus 23 is 17. And 80 divides 17, that is 4.7. And 40 plus 4.7, mod is equal to 44.7 cars. Answer. Thank you so much.